The aviation industry is facing major challenges here in Australia and globally. COVID-19 has dramatically impacted our ability to travel. However, the long-term projections of a doubling of air traffic by 2037 may hold true and is something we need to plan for. At the same time, we are facing more complex airspace being radically transformed by technology. While COVID-19 has dramatically reduced traditional aviation traffic, it is accelerating the growth of unmanned aircraft vehicles and systems, driven by significant increases in parcel and other home deliveries and social distancing. These changes present both challenges and opportunities for our industry, which include new airspace users, new aircraft types, all with different performance capabilities, automation, digitisation and intelligence systems, as well as the ever-evolving needs of customers. That's why Airservices is making changes to the way we work. We need to meet these challenges today while planning and investing for the future to help enhance safety and improve our capacity and use of technology and data. As Australia's air navigation service provider, ANSP, Airservices has a mandate to ensure safe, efficient and equitable access for all users in Australian airspace. We are testing innovative concepts and developing new technologies to ensure the safe integration of new airspace users with conventionally piloted aircraft. We are partnering with world-leading companies and other government agencies with a current focus on the following key areas: deploying real-time drone surveillance at our airports across Australia, prototyping the development of a flight information management system known as FIMS, and designing and testing data exchange services between UTM, CTMS and ATM systems to enable drones and other low-level operators to be safely integrated with existing airspace users. We are also rethinking how airspace is designed to enhance safety and efficiency by digitising airspace information and developing new approaches for risk modelling. Airservices is Australia's airspace manager. This is a responsibility that starts at the ground and has no upper limit. We are committed to working with industry and government to advance the safety of our skies, facilitate economic growth and benefits for our community. For more information, visit airservicesaustralia.com.